Hi guys, now let's discuss about the Fibonacci series in Java language. What is Fibonacci series? In Fibonacci series, next number is the sum of previous two numbers. Okay, the first two numbers of Fibonacci series are 0 and 1. Here I have created the class Fibo, and inside the class I have created the main method, and I have created n1, n2, n3 counter variable I and the count variable. Okay, I have initialized n1 as 0, n2 as 1, count as 4. Okay, first I have to print the n1 and n2 value. Why? Because the first two numbers are 0 and 1, isn't it? First two numbers of Fibonacci series are 0 and 1. So I have to print the n1, that is 0, and n2, that is 1 on my console. Okay, this is the first step. And I have implemented the for loop. Okay, and what is the expression? I less than count. Okay, so I value is 2, count value is 4. So after evaluation of this expression, we will get true only because 2 less than 4 returns true only. So the control comes inside the for loop. So for the first iteration, what is the value of n1? n1 value is 0 and the n2 value is 1. Okay, so the result 1 will be stored inside the n3. That n3 will be printed on our console. Okay, and the n2 value, that is 1, will be stored inside the n1, and the n3 value, that is this 1, will be stored inside the n2 variable. Okay, and for the second iteration, the control comes here, I value will be updated from 2 to 3. Okay, now the control checks this condition again. So what is the value of I? 3. 3 less than 4 returns true only. So the control comes inside the for loop. Here what is the value of n1? n1 value is 1 and n2 value is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 will be stored inside the n3. That value will be printed on our console. Okay, and n2 value, that is 1, will be stored inside the n1, and n3 value, that is 2, will be stored inside the n2. Okay, and for the third iteration, the control comes here. Now the value of 3 will be updated to 4. So the control comes inside the for loop, and the n1 and n2 values, that is 1 plus 2, will be added, and the 3 will be stored inside the n3 variable. That value will be printed. Okay, and the n2 value, that is 2, will be stored inside the n1, and the 3 will be stored inside the n2. Okay, so for the fourth iteration, the control comes here. Now the value of I will be 5, isn't it? So after the evaluation of this expression, we will get false only. So the loop will be terminated. So what is the result? So let me execute this one. Here this is our output. Okay, 0 and 1 are the output for this statement, and the 1 is the output for the first iteration. n3 is printed, and 2 is the output for the second iteration. Okay, n3 is 2. That's why we got 2 here. And for the third iteration, the n3 is 3. That's why we got 3. Okay, so what is the Fibonacci series? In Fibonacci series, the next number is the sum of previous two numbers. Okay, the first two numbers of Fibonacci series are 0 and 1. Okay, so here 0 and 1 is printed due to this statement, and due to this for loop, 1, 2, 3 are printed. Okay, now I change the count value. First I have to save, and let me execute this one. Here we got this result. we have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.